Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Motorola Edge 14 Neo. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install and click open. Now you can skip introduction and click open permissions. Now you have to click on AI Assistant and click here to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. And now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.